You've likely heard the term AI thrown around a lot these days. It's in our phones, our cars, even our kitchen appliances. But what exactly does it mean? Well, simply put, artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Think of it this way: AI is like giving a computer a brain. Now, this brain isn't exactly like ours. It relies on algorithms and data to learn, solve problems, and make decisions. Machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks are the tools in an AI's toolbox, each with its own unique capabilities. We'll delve into each of them in detail throughout this video. Now, you might be asking yourself, Andy, why should I care about all of this? Well, here's the thing. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, and it's changing the world as we know it. Understanding the basics of AI isn't just about keeping up with the latest tech trends. It's about equipping yourself to navigate the future. So, whether you're a student, a professional, or simply a curious individual, join us on this enlightening journey as we demystify the world of AI and explore its incredible potential. All right, folks. Let's dive into the heart of the matter. What exactly artificial intelligence? You hear the term everywhere these days, but pinning down a precise definition can be a bit elusive. At its core, artificial intelligence refers to the ability of a computer or machine to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. We humans are good at recognizing patterns, making decisions based on incomplete information, and understanding language's nuances. AI seeks to bridge that gap by creating machines that can think, learn, and adapt in ways that were once considered exclusive to us. The essence of AI mimicking human thought. Now, when we talk about AI thinking like a human, it's important to understand that we're not talking about creating artificial consciousness or anything like that. Instead, AI focuses on replicating specific aspects of human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. By focusing on these core aspects of intelligence, AI researchers and engineers are developing machines that can perform a wide range of tasks that were once thought impossible for computers. Beyond simple programming, AI's learning curve. One of the key differentiators between traditional computer programs and AI systems is the ability to. In the past, programmers had to explicitly write out every single rule and instruction for a computer to follow. AI takes a different approach, leveraging something called. Instead of programming every single rule, we feed AI systems massive amounts of data and let them learn the rules on their own. Entering the realm of machine learning. Machine learning is like giving a computer a whole new way of thinking. Instead of telling a machine exactly to do something, we feed it mountains of data and let it figure out the how on its own. Imagine showing a child thousands of pictures of apples and oranges. The child's brain naturally starts to pick up on those patterns. That, my friends, is the essence of machine learning. Data, the fuel of machine learning. Machine learning can work with all sorts of data: numbers, text, images, sounds, you name it. Think about all the information generated every minute of every day. Online purchases, social media posts, GPS signals, weather reports. Machine learning algorithms can analyze this data to personalize everything from our news feeds to our movie recommendations. The possibilities are truly endless. Algorithms, the engine of learning. While data is the fuel that powers machine learning, algorithms are the engines that make it all work. These algorithms are like sophisticated learning recipes that tell the computer how to process the data and extract meaningful insights. Some popular ones include supervised learning. We give the algorithm labeled data, and it learns to associate the features of each item with its label. Unsupervised learning. We give the algorithm unlabeled data and let it find patterns and structures on its own. Reinforcement learning. The robot learns by trial and error, receiving rewards for making good decisions and penalties for making mistakes. The choice of algorithm depends on the specific problem you're trying to solve and the type of data you have available. But the basic idea is always the same: to train a computer to learn from data and improve its performance over time. The beauty of machine learning, adaptability and evolution. Machine learning models are constantly evolving. As they are exposed to more data, they continue to refine their understanding of the world and improve their accuracy. Think about a spam filter. With machine learning, spam filters can adapt and learn from new spam tactics. And that, my friends, is the true beauty of machine learning. Its ability to learn, adapt, and evolve alongside the ever-changing world around us. Now that we've got a good handle on machine learning, let's take things up a notch and venture into the realm of deep learning. Deep learning is a specialized branch of machine learning that takes inspiration from the structure and function of the human brain. Deep learning algorithms try to mimic this structure using something called artificial neural networks. These networks are made up of layers upon layers of interconnected nodes, each performing simple calculations and passing information to the next layer. Deep learning allows computers to learn in a much deeper, more nuanced way than traditional machine learning algorithms. So, what exactly are these neural networks that make deep learning so special? They're inspired by the structure of the human brain. Instead of neurons, we have these things called nodes. These nodes are organized into layers, and each layer is responsible for learning different features or patterns from the data. The real magic happens in the connections between these nodes. Each connection has a weight associated with it, which determines how strongly the signal from one node influences the next. By adjusting the weights of the connections between nodes, a neural network can learn to recognize complex patterns and make accurate predictions. Now let's take a closer look at the structure of a typical neural network. Most neural networks have at least 3 types of layers. Input layer. This is where the data enters the network. Hidden layers. These are the layers in between the input and output layers, where the real thinking happens. Output layer. This is where the network produces its final prediction or output. The information flows through the network in a specific direction, from the input layer, through the hidden layers, and finally to the output layer. During training, the network also performs something called backpropagation. The network compares its output to the desired output, and if there's a difference, it adjusts the weights of the connections to reduce the error. This process is repeated over and over again with massive amounts of data, allowing the network to fine-tune its connections and improve its accuracy. The power of deep learning, tackling complex tasks with ease. Why is deep learning so powerful? It learns complex hierarchical representations of data. Like humans recognizing objects, we see edges, shapes, textures, and objects. Deep learning allows computers to do similar. Each layer extracts higher-level features, building on previous layers. This makes deep learning excel at tasks like image recognition. It's the gold standard for identifying objects and faces and diagnosing diseases from medical scans. It powers chatbots, virtual assistants, and machine translation systems. Deep learning enables accurate speech recognition, paving the way for voice control and transcription services. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Deep learning is rapidly advancing, opening new possibilities in healthcare, finance, transportation, and entertainment. It's a transformative technology impacting our world, and its influence will only grow. Neural networks. Unlocking the brain's secrets. Let's dive into deep learning and unravel neural networks. Neural networks mimic how our brains process information. Imagine a vast network of billions of interconnected neurons. Each neuron processes and sends signals to others. This web of connections allows us to think and learn. Artificial neural networks replicate this structure. They consist of interconnected nodes like artificial neurons. Each node processes input and sends output signals. This interconnectedness gives neural networks their learning capabilities. The flow of information, a journey through the network. Let's trace the path of information through a neural network. Imagine sending a package through a complex delivery system. It starts at a sorting center, travels through hubs, and reaches its destination. In a neural network, data enters through the input layer. Each node represents a specific feature of the data. Data flows to hidden layers like intermediate sorting stations. Finally, it reaches the output layer, producing a prediction or decision. Learning from mistakes, backpropagation, and the art of adjustment. The real magic of neural networks lies in their ability to learn from their mistakes. Weights determine how strongly the signal from one node influences the next. During training, the network is presented with labeled data. It makes a prediction and compares it to the actual output. If there's a difference, an error signal is generated. This error signal is propagated back through the network, adjusting the weights to improve accuracy. Through backpropagation, the network learns and adjusts. With each iteration, it fine-tunes its weights, from virtual assistants to smart homes. AI is deeply integrated into our daily routines. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant set reminders and play music. Smart thermostats adjust temperatures, and security systems use facial recognition. Even refrigerators suggest recipes based on stock. AI advancements make our lives more convenient and enjoyable. AI's transformative impact. AI extends far beyond our homes and personal devices. It's revolutionizing industries, transforming work, learning, and healthcare. In healthcare, AI develops accurate diagnostic tools and personalizes treatments. The automotive industry is transforming with self-driving cars. In finance, AI detects fraud and analyzes market data. AI is disrupting and transforming traditional industries. Expect more innovative applications in the future. The future is now AI's expanding horizons. We're just scratching the surface of AI's potential. The future of AI is brimming with possibilities. The world is on the cusp of radical change. Imagine AI-powered tutors providing personalized education, smart cities optimizing traffic and enhancing safety, AI tackling climate change and global challenges. Sounds like science fiction, right? It's okay to be skeptical. AI comes with challenges and risks. We must ensure responsible AI use. Navigating the AI revolution, a shared responsibility. As we stand on the precipice of this AI revolution, remember, we're not just passive bystanders. We all have a role in shaping this powerful technology. It's up to us to ensure AI benefits all of humanity. Educate ourselves about AI, its capabilities, and its impact. Foster a culture of ethical AI development. Ensure algorithms are fair, unbiased, and transparent. Be mindful of privacy concerns and protect sensitive data. Equip workers with skills to thrive in an automated world. By embracing collaboration and ethical responsibility, we can harness AI for a brighter future. The road ahead, AI's uncharted territories. We've covered AI's evolution and its impact on our lives. The future of AI is vast, full of promise and uncertainty. Innovation is accelerating exponentially. Researchers push AI's boundaries, solving humanity's challenges. AI's potential to reshape our world is profound, but we must navigate its risks with care. The ethical frontier, navigating the moral maze of AI. As we venture into the age of AI, we're encountering new ethical dilemmas. These questions challenge our assumptions about intelligence and humanity. A pressing concern is bias in AI systems. Algorithms reflect societal biases, leading to unfair outcomes. Imagine a hiring algorithm favoring male candidates or a biased loan system. We must address these risks through careful data selection and monitoring. Another challenge is job displacement due to automation. AI could automate many jobs, leading to unemployment if we're unprepared. The most profound question is if AI surpasses human intelligence. What happens when machines are smarter than us? Will they share our values or pursue their own agendas? Embracing the unknown, preparing for an AI-powered future. It's easy to get caught up in the hype surrounding AI. We hear talk of sentient robots and a future that's both exhilarating and terrifying. But the future is not predetermined. We shape it through our choices today. Embrace the unknown with curiosity and responsibility. Invest in education, research, and ethical discourse. AI can augment our capabilities. Together, we can create a more equitable and sustainable world. It's a tall order, but I'm an optimist. With our ingenuity and empathy, we can navigate this AI-powered future. The AI revolution, a journey worth taking. Well, folks, there you have it. We've journeyed from the fundamental concepts of artificial intelligence, explored the intricacies of machine learning and deep learning, and even delved into the fascinating world of neural networks. We've seen how AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy, but a powerful force shaping our present and future. Remember that friendly robot waving hello at the beginning of our journey? What might have seemed like a distant possibility then is now becoming increasingly tangible. From virtual assistants that anticipate our needs to self-driving cars navigating our streets, AI is transforming our lives in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few decades ago. But this journey isn't just about marveling at technological advancements. It's about understanding the tools that are shaping our world, grasping their potential benefits, and acknowledging the challenges they present. It's about recognizing that AI, like any powerful tool, can be used for good or ill. Stay curious, stay informed, stay engaged. Embrace the complexities of AI. Engage in conversations about its ethical implications. Shape the future through curiosity and collaboration. Like, subscribe and stay updated on AI World.